If you clicked on this video, chances are you're dealing with some difficult, annoying, or straight up disrespectful people. It can be your coworker, a rude neighbor, or even someone in your own family. Sometimes you just can't cut them out of your life completely. That's why today I'm gonna teach you 3 super effective ways to handle toxic people when you have to deal with them face to face. Number 1, broken record. We've all been there. You come home totally wiped out from work, dreaming of a blanket, some Netflix, and a giant mug of tea. No people, no talking, just peace and quiet. Then your phone rings. It's your party-loving friend. She wants to hang out, drink wine, eat chips, and chat all night. You start explaining that you just can't, but she keeps pushing. You feel like you have to defend your decision. Worse, you start to feel guilty for saying no, even though deep down you know you don't owe anyone an explanation. It's still really hard to just say no and leave it like that. In situations like that, use the broken record technique. Be like an old scratched CD that keeps repeating the same thing. Calmly say your answer over and over, no matter how much the other person pushes, begs, guilt trips, or gets mad. Why does this work? Because it keeps things from turning into a drama fest. It helps you protect your boundaries without yelling and getting dragged into a fight. It also weakens their manipulation game. And it teaches you that you can be firm and polite at the same time. Try this practice. Think of someone who always stresses you out or pushes your buttons. Pick one short and clear sentence to use, like, "I can't hang out today." During the conversation, repeat it in a steady and calm tone. You can switch up the words a little, but keep the meaning. For example, say, "I get that this is important to you, but I still can't hang out today." Don't take the bait and argue. Just keep repeating the same thing like a chill robot. Number 2, gray rock. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You walk into the office kitchen just trying to grab some coffee before a meeting. And there she is, queen of passive-aggressive comments. Always has something slick to say. Always just joking, but it always hits a nerve. You feel your blood start to boil. You want to clap back, but deep down you know that's what she wants. Any emotional reaction is fuel for her fire. I bet you have a specific person's face in mind. Me too. In such situations, use the gray rock technique. Pretend you're a boring, dull gray rock. No energy, no reactions, just bland. Why does this work? Because it protects your energy without feeding the drama. You're not wasting emotion on someone who doesn't respect your boundaries. Toxic people feed off your reactions, anger, fear, or stress. But when you're just a boring rock, you don't give them fuel, so they get bored and stop. Here is how to do it. Think of the person who always drains you emotionally. Make a list of neutral, boring responses. Stuff like, I don't know, okay, maybe, we will see. During the conversation, say those phrases with zero emotion, like you're reading a washing machine manual. Change the subject or end the conversation. If you feel the pressure rising, say something like, "I've gotta go. We will talk later," and walk away. Number 3, setting boundaries. Tell me if this rings a bell. It's Friday. You're packing up to leave work. Weekend mode activated. Then your coworker shows up with that fake smile and says that since you crashed that last report, maybe you can take this one too. It's just like 15 minutes. You know it's gonna take forever. And you know that if it doesn't get done, your boss will be mad. So you sit down and do it. Again, this is when you need to set your boundaries. It means telling people clearly and calmly what is okay for you and what is not. Why is it important? Because it teaches people how to treat you. When you say what you won't accept, you create a space to breathe and protect your mental energy. Here is how to start setting boundaries. Step number 1. Write down the situations where people cross your line. Ask yourself, who keeps ignoring my no? When do I feel used, disrespected, or invisible? Step number 2. Get clear on what you need. Make a list of sentences that explain your limits, like, I don't answer emails after 6 p.m. Step number 3. During the conversation, say it clearly and calmly. Step number 4. Stick to it. A boundary without follow-through is just empty words. If they keep crossing the line, show that you mean it. Say, I said I don't want to talk about this. I'm ending the conversation. At first, you might feel guilty or scared. You can be worried that someone gets mad or say that you're being selfish. And that's normal. That's your brain adjusting to this new and healthier version of you. People who respect you will respect your boundaries too. So, which technique do you vibe with the most? Drop a comment and let me know. If you want to learn how to keep your cool in tough situations, check out this video with 8 tips how to deal with overwhelming feelings. Thanks for watching and see you next time.